The People's Democratic Party and its candidate, Atiku Abubakar, have closed their case at the Presidential Election Petition Court after calling its 27th witness. The witness, Mike Enahoro Eba, who is a legal practitioner, presented a certified copy of a judgment from a U.S. court forfeiting the assets of Bola Tinubu. The witness also tendered academic records from Chicago University, a copy of the subpoena served on the Chicago University, the original academic records, and a degree certificate.
I came empty-handed. No, I was loaded, but I was...
Also tendered before the court was the original admission letter and original transcript from Southwest College of the school Tinubu was said to have attended, with the records carrying the female gender. An extract of Tinubu's Guinean passport and the certificate of compliance was also tendered. Also tendered and admitted by the court were the NYSC discharge certificate and Mobile Nigeria Oil PLC certificate of service. The petitioners, in their evidence in chief, submitted that the documents were purportedly obtained by Tinubu but bore the name Bola Tinubu. The witness also tendered forms EC13 and EC9 nomination forms and the letters written to the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) as attachments. Counsel to INEC, Abubakar Mahmood, Tinubu, Emmanuel Ukala and the APC, Latif Fagbemi, all objected to the admissibility of the documents. During the cross-examination, the witness said he is not the official custodian of Tinubu's Chicago University certificate, but that it was given to him by the custodian of the university. On whether the witness had confirmed from the Guinean embassy if Tinubu had renounced his Guinean citizenship, the witness responded that he didn't need to because the president of Guinea, Alpha Condé, through a publication, confirmed that Tinubu was issued a passport. He said the passport expired in 2020, but citizenship doesn't expire. INEC is expected to open its case on the 3rd of July.